the glass produce that lifts the butter and makes a product light up in the end. Evening the contents. Evening agent contains both baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium carbonate. And this is carbon dioxide and acids. Baking soda, the baking powder, the the yeast, baking powder, baking soda, and cream of tartar. What is A? A is the yeast. Yeast, the baking powder, the baking soda, the baking powder, the baking soda, and cream of tartar. Minor ingredients are not as important as the major ingredients in baking, but they are essential in attaining the sensory qualities of baked products. They are used in small quantity that contribute to the enhancement of flavor and texture of the bake. Example of minor ingredients. Okay. The salt, flavorings, wines, coffee, chocolate, cinnamon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The salt, flavoring, the minor ingredients is the salt, flavorings, coffee, chocolates, cocoa, wine, cinnamon. The minor ingredients are as follows: salt, flavorings, wines, chocolates, cocoa, and the cinnamon. Cinnamons. And then coffee, chocolate, cocoa, salt, flavorings, wines. So the minor ingredients are as follows: salt, money for me. Salt, flavorings, wines, coffee, cocoa, chocolates, and cinnamon. Okay, stories of ingredients. Flour, stir in a tightly covered containers to keep out dust, moisture, insects, and insects. Stir in a dry place at room temperature. It may be stored for 2 to 3 months. Milk, an open can or evaporated or sweetened condensed milk may be stored at room temperature. Once opened, transferred to a plastic or glass container, and they should be refrigerated immediately. Egg should be stored in the refrigerator with large end up. Dili na siya pwede. When stored at room temperature, eggs lose more quality in a day than a week in an ano? Dili butang malaki. Temperature, eggs lose more quality in a day than a week in the refrigerator. For best quality eggs should be used within a week. To store leftover yolks, cover with cold water and refrigerate in a tightly covered containers. Pour of warm corn, pour of warm pour of warm water when ready to use the yolks. Use within 1 or 2 days. To store egg whites, refrigerate in a tightly covered containers and use within 1 or 2 days. Baking techniques and methods. The general objectives in mixing batters and dough are uniform distribution of ingredients, minimum loss of leavening agent, optimal blending, development of or prevention of gluten. General objectives in mixing batters and dough are uniform distribution of ingredients. Uniform distribution of ingredients, minimum loss of the leavening agent, optimum blending, development of prevention of gluten, mixing batters and dough. Basic mixing methods. Once the ingredients have been selected and measured, often the next step is to mix them all together. Beating, the process of creating air or gluten by quickly mixing the ingredients. Creaming, beating, the process of creating air or gluten by mixing the ingredients. Creaming, technique that requires spatula, the whisk, and the pudding ladle. We have pudding ladle. Basic mixing methods. Once the ingredients butter, sugar until they are soft and creamy using under electric. Cutting in mixing fat and flour with the use of pastry blender or 2 knives in a scissor-like manner. Beating is the precipitating air of beating by quickly mixing the ingredients. Creaming, the technique that requires the beat butter and sugar until they're soft and creamy using either requires the beat butter and sugar until they're soft and creamy. Cutting in, mixing fat and flour. Mixing fat and flour with the use of pastry blender and 2 knives in a scissor-like manner. Cut and fold, combination of 2 motions, cutting vertically through the mixture and turning over across the bottom of the mixing bowl at each each turn, folding the gentle combining stirring higher in figure 8 motion. Rubber spatula or scraper. Kneading, the process of folding and stretching the dough to develop gluten for good bread structure to produce a smooth, elastic texture. Stirring mixture ingredients with the use of spoon, fork, or spatula to move in circular motion to incorporate ingredients. Sifting, the separate coarse particles in the mixing process through sieve or sifter. Air is incorporated through this method. Whipping, kind of beating eggs and cream to fill them with air and make them thick and fluffy. Prepare and produce bakery products. Core competencies. Manam eh. Straight dough method. This is straight dough method. This method combines all the ingredients together at one time to make the dough. The dough is kneaded. The dough is kneaded and set aside to rise. Straight dough method. Set aside. That dough is knead. Sponge dough. This method mixes parts of liquid flour and all they use to make a soft mixture, then set aside to rise until bubbly. Then the remaining ingredients are added and the mixture is treated as straight dough. Until bubbly. No need. This method uses butter instead of dough. This makes bread making faster because one does not have to knead and shape at the texture of the finished product not fine as the kneaded dough. Steps in making bread. Combining and mixing ingredients for bread and mix in place. Combining and mixing the ingredients for bread, kneading, fermentation, punching the dough, shaping the dough, proofing or second rising, mix in place. Combining and mixing the ingredients for bread, kneading, mixing the ingredients, then kneading, fermentation, and then punching the dough, then shaping the dough, and proofing or second rising, and mix in place. Mixing the ingredients, kneading, and then fermentation, and then punching, and reshaping, ano, reshaping, 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 and then, no, not proofing our second lives, reshaping the dough, reshaping, is in place, mix the ingredients, kneading, fermentation, and punching the dough, shaping the dough, and then rising again, and proofing, rising the dough, and then baking. Sometimes it's all ingredients, adding fermentation, punching the dough, shaping the dough, proofing, or rice, second rising. I am watching. Classification of bread, muffin, cupcake, wheat bread, leavened with the help of chemical leavener. The help of chemical leavener, and then the cake or the muffin, small cake, the cake, small cake, basic pastry, quick, the basic, yes, yes, yes. Spanish bread, so called. Ako. Pastry. What is pastry? Pastry is the dough made with flour and shortening and used for the crust. Of